Hey friends, welcome to Homemade Recipes. Today we are making spring rolls. To make spring rolls, let's chop some veggies first. First, we'll take some carrot, then some capsicum and cabbage. Twenty cloves of garlic, green onion. Separate out the white top part of the green onion from the bottom. We'll add it separately. Green chilies according to your taste. These chilies are little spicy, so I'm adding 3 and half onion. Take 1 tablespoon oil in a pan and add garlic. Saute garlic until it's light brown. Then add half onion as well as onion whites of the spring onion. We don't have to brown the onion, just saute it until it's translucent. Add green chilies according to your taste, all veggies that we chopped and half of the onion greens from spring onion. Add salt to taste. Cook all of these on medium flame. Veggies will take 5 to 6 minutes to cook. We will add some sauces now. First add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. We already have the green chilies, so add as per your taste. Half teaspoon of soya sauce. Mix all together and cook for 2 more minutes. Some chili flakes. Our spring roll filling is ready. For outer layer of spring roll, take 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, half tablespoon of oil, add water as required to knead the dough. You might need about half a cup of water. Once dough is ready, take a small ball of the dough and start rolling. We'll make chapati now. Make as thin as possible. Put some filling on a side. Then fold the edges like this and then roll it. Preheat air fryer at 180 degrees and brush some oil on spring roll. Gently place our spring rolls in air fryer. Set timer for 15 minutes. Air fry it until it's light brown. You can brush some extra oil if required in between. We can cook this on a simple pan also. Take some oil in a pan, place rolls in it. Let it be lightly brown and then roll it and cook all the sides evenly. Our spring rolls are ready. Let's cut the spring rolls. It looks delicious. Kindly give your feedback for this video and do subscribe as it helps us a lot. Thank you for watching.